So I'm Georgia, and ever since I was about 6, my dad's been taking me to air shows. So I've fallen in love with flying and planes and the sound of engines, and even watching Top Gun when I was younger, that made me fall in love with it even more. And I've constantly gone to air shows, constantly seen pilots, what they do, the views they experience, and it's just always been a dream of mine to experience that. Favorite plane? That's a hard one. In general, or
That you want to fly, you really want to fly.
787 Dreamliner.
All right.
Yeah. I don't know. There's just something about it. It looks cool. It performs really well. Yeah, I've already started. I've got 35 hours. I'm on exercise 17 now. Well, I just finished it, so I'm now doing solo consolidations. As soon as I'm done solo consoles, then start navs. It's like freedom. I just feel free up there. It's kind of like a distraction from school and everything. I don't think of that. There's nothing like it.
My name is Matthew Walters. Well, the reason I'm wanting to become a pilot because my grandpa used to be a flight engineer for SAA and was also one of the crew members on board during the 95th World Cup. And my whole family has been involved in the aviation industry, so that's the reason why I'm becoming a pilot.
And what position are you in at the moment? Have you started flying?
And then in April I'm going to start doing my training.
So how old are you?
I'm 15 turning 16 this year.
You can't get a license until you're 16, of course.
Yeah.
So what's your plan?
So my plan is after I get my PP out, I'm probably gonna see what kind of career paths there are. Like I want to become an airline pilot. I was thinking about doing Air Force, but I see what I saw subjects they do, but I don't like those subjects, so I'm just gonna stick with my commercial path for aviation.
Tell me why you're getting into aviation apart from your grandfather. What do you think about planes? And what's your favorite plane?
Well, my favorite plane is the C-130 Hercules, and I just love aviation. When I was born, I probably had the feeling of becoming a pilot.
Also, tell us about this plane.
It's a Hawk Mk120 made by BAE Systems, which is a British company. Yeah, my call sign is Badger, surname is Kant. Based in Trichardt, Makhado.
What's your favorite part about flying the Hawk?
It's the systems. It's a challenging aircraft. It challenges your mental thoughts, your situational awareness, managing the system, being aware of your surroundings.
Showcasing South Africa, and I think that's what it's all about. We still have brilliant people in this country,